stood in blazing fire tall. Chains of despair couldn't hold them at all. Flames roared loud, but they didn't bend. Faith wrote a story where fear would end. Tied and bound, they walked to the blaze. The heat so fierce, but their hearts sang praise. Not one hair scorched by the trial of wrath. They walked unburned down heaven's path. And in the fire, they were never alone. For feel the love from His heavenly throne. With archangels guarding them by their side, faith in the furnace forever alive. In the fire, ever alone. Michael and Gabriel's strength held a fiery blaze. Their faith brought them to their knees. But in that moment the world did see a Yahweh, a loving God beyond flames, setting spirits free. When the ember touched, no fear took hold. His power greater than stories told. And when they stepped from that burning place, not a shadow of smoke on their face. In the fire, they were never alone. Before feel the love from His heavenly throne. With archangels guarding them by their side, faith in the furnace forever alive. In the fire, ever alone. In the fire, they were never alone. A force filled of love from His heavenly throne. With archangels guarding them on their side, faith in the furnace forever alive.